everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, July 21st through July 27th. It's going to be an okay week. There are some great deals that you guys want to do, so just figure out what you guys want and get those coupons ahead of time. Now the front page has a lot of great deals just by staring at it, like the sun care. A lot of it's buy one get one 50% off if you guys are interested in that. Now here they have the deals of the week. They have Kellogg's cereal for $1.88. Now there was a coupon that just popped up on coupons.com for $1 off of 2, and there's also another coupon for 3 off of 5. So it depends on what you guys want to do. And if you guys watched my free book video, definitely do this deal. So what you guys want to do is you can either buy 2 of them and use that $1 off of 2 coupon. You guys would pay $2.76 or get them each at $1.38. Or you can buy 5 of them. You guys would pay $6.40 after the 3 off of 5 coupon, or it comes to $1.28. So you guys can do that deal right there. But then in specially marked boxes, they actually have them where you guys can get a free book. I went to Pick and Save / Kroger the other day, and they had a ton of cereal that had the free book. So I actually got 6 books for free. So definitely do that. You guys can get up to 10 books. I think once I hit my 10, I might even make a different account with my husband, just because I love getting free books. So you guys definitely want to try that out if you guys can. But just make sure the boxes actually say free book on it. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I think $1.28 for a box of cereal is a really good deal. Plus there might be some deals on Ibotta, making them really cheap. So I'm definitely going to stock up on boxes of cereal, even though I have a ton. Still going to stock up. They have all cereal $1. They have them for $2.99 with the all and the dial foaming soap. Now there says there's going to be an online coupon for $1. We are getting $1 off coupons in the 7/21 Retail Me Not, but the all we just got in the 7/17 Retail Me Not, but we have $1 off of 2. So if you guys use that $1 off of 2 coupon, you guys will get them for $4.98 or just $2.49 a piece. Not the greatest deal. $1.99 is still not the greatest deal either, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. There's some really good deals right now with Walmart and Ibotta, so save those coupons for that. They have M&M's and Snickers for 65 cents. Great deal. Chips, 2 for $4. That is another great deal. And then in the bottom corner right here, they have the soft soap and Irish Springs body wash for $3.99. We are getting $1 off coupons for the Irish Springs, and we're getting 75-cent off coupons for the soft soap. So what you guys want to do for the Irish Springs is buy 2 of them, use 2 $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98 for both of them. But then you guys would get 5,000 points, making them 98 cents or just 49 cents a piece, and that is a great deal. That is a deal where you guys can also pay with points and get points. The soft soap again is $3.99. You guys are going to get 2 75-cent off coupons. You guys want to pay $6.48. You'll get 5,000 points, making it $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece if you guys were interested with that deal. So now we're going to go here. They show us the last page, but they got Scott's paper towels and bath tissues. They're the mega rolls or whatever for $4.74. There's going to be a 75-cent off coupon, making them $3.99. Not sure how much that is. A great deal, but there's that. They also have other Kellogg's stuff for 2 for $5, so you guys can use those coupons if you want to do it that way. The Purex crystals and the laundry detergent are buy one get one free. I don't know if there's any coupons out there, but there's that for you guys. Some food deals, nothing really popping out at me. Haagen-Dazs is buy one get one free. Whoa, I didn't know it could do that. But otherwise, not really a thing, nothing really popping out. They do have, Palmolive $1.99. We're getting 50-cent off coupons. Online, making them $1.49. Not the greatest. Here they got a lot of back to school stuff. I want to do a $5 challenge of Walgreens, so I might do that. You guys will have to stay tuned for that. But I kind of wished Office Max, Office Depot would have their penny items, but they don't. So some of that stuff. Here we got more back to school stuff. So it just depends on what you guys need. I kind of have an idea what I'm going to be doing, but I will definitely be showing you guys a $5 challenge if I can. Now here they have the Bic pens, two for $2.50. We are getting a $1.50 off a 2 coupon. So you guys will end up getting 2 packs of pens for just $1. That comes out to be 50 cents. So definitely use that coupon. That coupon's only available for a couple weeks, but that is a great deal if you guys are interested with that. Papermate pens are only $1.49, which is still a good deal. So I have to see if there's coupons out there for that. We got this soft soap. It's either the refills or the pump. Now it's usually the bigger ones is usually with this deal. The smaller ones are not always in the deal, but we'll see how it is. I know the bigger ones I think are $2.99, and the smaller ones I think are $1.99. So it just depends on what you guys do. Depends on what's going on and what we can use with the coupon. But they are $3.99. I want to say is the bigger ones. You guys, I'm sorry. I was just at the store and I didn't even look. But let's just say they're $3.99. You guys can use 2 50-cent off coupons. I totally did my math wrong on here, but I know we got 50-cent coupons. But you guys would pay $6.48 for 2 of them. You get 4, or you get. No, I totally did the wrong one. Sorry, you guys. So yeah, $2.99, 50-cent off coupons. You guys buy 4 of them. You guys would pay $7.47 for 4 of them. You'll get 4,000 points when you buy 4. Again, this is a deal that you guys can pay with points. But you get all 4 of them for $3.47, or just 86 cents a piece, which is still a great deal. So be prepared. People are going to be buying these big jugs of soft soap. Sally Hansen, it looks like it's a $2 off with card. Plus we're getting a $4 off with card and $2 off coupon, and then you get a $2 register reward. I know it's super confusing, but maybe let's get some deals with that. Almay is 40% off, and then there's $3 off online coupons, so that could be a good deal. Cosmetics, buy one get one 50% off. Speed Stick is buy one get one 50% off. There's gonna be a $1 off online coupon. When you guys buy 2 of them, you get 3,000 points. The Gillette is looks like if you spend $20 or more, you'll get 10,000 points. Hopefully we can still use those 1 coupons and get some freebies. My digitals aren't working, otherwise I wanted to do some of those deals with that. Medicines, nothing really popping out. I do know we're getting a 3 off of 2 Huggies, so that could make it for 15 bucks. Still not the greatest deal, but if you guys are in a pinch and you need diapers, it's an okay deal. More medicines, vitamins, nothing really popping out with that. And then this is the sort of the last page, and I get this from the Walgreens app, but they have Downy for $4.99. It looks like it is 34 ounces or 80 sheets of the Downy, and then the bounce is 70 or 80 sheets, but it's $4.99. Then you guys will get a $1 off coupon, making it $3.99. It's okay. Tide and Gains, $9.99, $7.99. No. No, too expensive. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Photos, 12 cents each. La-di-da-di-da-da. So that is the Walgreens ad preview for this week. Candles are 4 for $20. That makes them $5 a piece. That could be a good deal. And they got some really good flavors of candles, or scents. I meant not flavors, but other than that, that is the Walgreens ad preview. I think it's an okay week, you guys. You know, just to get some things that you guys not really get a lot of. But cereal, you know, can't go wrong with cereal. Definitely do the Kellogg's Family Rewards so you guys can get free coupons. You can also buy certain amount of coupons also for that. But other than that, that is my Walgreens ad preview video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy stuff like this. I know you have, because I've been doing this for a while. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.